Installing GTA 5 with high ping can be a challenge, but following these steps will help you set it up correctly. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and the necessary system requirements before you begin. Step 1. Download the game. Visit the official Rockstar Games website or a trusted game distribution platform to purchase and download GTA 5. Ensure that you select the correct version for your operating system. Step 2. Install the game. Once the download is complete, locate the installation file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the file to start the installation process and follow the on-screen instructions to install the game on your computer. Step 3. Update the game. After installation, launch the game. If prompted, allow the game to download and install any available updates. Keeping the game updated ensures that you have the latest features and fixes. Step 4. Adjust network settings. To manage high ping issues, go to the game settings and adjust the network settings. Look for options like server selection and region settings to connect to a server closer to your location, which can help reduce ping. Step 5. Test your connection. Before diving into gameplay, test your internet connection speed using a speed test website. Ensure that your connection is stable and meets the minimum requirements for online gaming. If necessary, troubleshoot your internet connection to improve performance. By following these steps, you should be able to install and configure GTA 5 effectively. Enjoy your gaming experience.